What is Extreme ML? Extreme ML is a streamlit and Python based tool which packs many algorithm of machine learning. It is very handy to use and it packs industry standard practices, all those things which enables organizations to take a leap in machine learning usage. It is zero coding based and pretty simple. High level, it packs interactive visualization so that user can see crosstab, graph, dashboard, all those things and take decision on different independent variable, different analysis that he wants to conduct, as well as it packs machine learning techniques. It packs many popular machine learning technique and which I'm going to cover next, as well as it covers many things which are required in the industry. For example, KS, Genie, lift chart, model usage recommendations. So it is not an academic tool which just stops at precision and accuracy. On top of that, it actually enables user to take a guided development where at every step it gives options to select certain things, and if user is not knowing, he can leave it default and still the model will come out pretty quick and pretty fine. So if you look at this tool, it's in the space of IBM Spaces Miner, Modeler, SAS E Miner, Spark Beyond, precisely Spectrum Miner, all these things, as well as it captures some use cases of Tableau and Power BI. What you need to understand, it is not 100% replica of or replicate or alternative of Tableau or SAS VA or Power BI, but what it does, like the cross tab, the dashboard, these are probably 90%, 95% usage of these tool anyway. And these things it enables by just a click of button. I will highly recommend that after this introductory video, you take a look at some short videos that how it enables making dashboard and cross tab by just 2 clicks. So it allows users to apply following machine learning algorithm with zero coding, no coding effort at all. So supervised machine learning, in supervised machine learning, it has these 6 techniques. And if you look at, these are two parts of the same technique. So if you look at, these probably captures almost all the requirement pertaining to supervised machine learning. Then it has unsupervised machine learning or cluster analysis, time series analysis, association rule mining, collaborative filtering, text mining, and it also enables user to conduct regular analysis. This part is actually part of everything here. In everything you get this part anyway. But one difference is that the moment user selects regular analysis, it relaxes some of the cutoff due to which people can select as good as even those variables which has 10,000 distinct values. Otherwise, for modeling, it will not allow user to select something which has more than 50 distinct value anyway, because it knows that the moment it has more than 50 distinct values, it will actually lead to lot of overfitting. So I'll highly recommend that after this video, you should take a look at those short video because then you'll get to know that what it is doing. At the same time, I'm going to talk about these principles. At times, it will look like unachievable kind of thing, and that's where the demo will help a lot to understand that it actually doing what it says. So high level, in this tool, you're not doing lot of data management or data creation and all those jobs. The moment you take the variable, take the data, it automatically creates derived field, different derived fields from date, different derived classification of numeric variable, dummy variable creation and all those things. And it keeps doing everything in the memory. You keep data at one place and you can actually, if you wish, you can download the last data which has all the derived field. Second, it's actually a volatile system. What is volatility? You in Excel, you change at one place and all subsequent calculation changes. In this system, if you drop any variable, introduce any variable, the whole thing, the decision tree or the lift or the logistic regression, everything changes the moment you change the input variable, and that too without effort. You are not going and developing part by part. Gives lot of transparency that what is happening and why it is doing what it is doing. So you get to know full understanding that how the tool is working. Next it does is age of use. In this tool, you are not doing drag and drop. What you need to understand, drag and drop now looks very fancy, but in last 3 decades, it has not actually enabled many people to do the job because when it comes to drag and drop, it requires certain aptitude, certain skills, certain capability. There are some who gets it very quickly in probably half an hour, 1 hour, and there are some who keeps going to the session, coming back and still not being able to do. This particular tool actually works in other way. So essentially what you want to drag and where you want to drag, the tool takes care. It drags automatically and gives you only that option which is available. And also in drag and drop, you need to know what you should drag. Here the tool knows what it can drag, number one, and only gives you those options which are applicable, which is a huge difference because you cannot go wrong with this tool. It will give you only that option, only those, it will drag only that part of the function which is applicable. And that makes huge difference in the age of using this tool. Next, actually it's a very versatile system because if you look at one tool is doing even text mining, collaborative filtering, association rule mining, supervised machine learning, all those things. So it's a pretty versatile tool and which you will see also. It is zero coding based, you are not coding anywhere, anything. So high level, these are the pillars of extreme ML design. And the best part will be that when you see the demo, you will see this happening.